Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. Me and my brother from another mother, David. We're up here at Buffalo Lake in Pocahontas County, West Virginia. Doing a little trout fishing. Just run up for the day. Thought we'd see what we could get into. They stocked this lake a week or two ago, I think. So we're just up here enjoying the beauty, the beautiful view, the beautiful mountain lake. My buddy, he's all settled in over there, waiting on some trout. His son Colin, he's done walked around the lake there. He's on the other side over there, and he's spinner fishing. We got some power bait on, and I've got a Joe Fly spinner tied on there on this other rod. I'm gonna get to throwing it here for a little bit, but just thought we'd bring you guys along, let you guys check out some of this awesome lake. I'll get you some good footage of the lake and the geese. Matter of fact, here comes a bunch of geese now. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Well, they turn around on me.
You want me to call them in?
Look at that view, guys.
Look at that. What is that?
Look at that view. Yeah, my buddy's on the board. Of course, he got on the board last night, and Kylan dropped the trout in the creek. We stopped for a few minutes on the way up to the cabin. Look at that view, guys. I tell you what, that fella right there is hard to outfish. He's got a golden hook in his butt. Buffalo Lake Rainbow.
That's how we get started, right?
That's right. Now we just need 36 of them. 35.
Who's count?
Let's see what we got. Look at that.
No monster. Great eater.
That's all right. He'll fit in a skillet.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get back to it.